Mission Target 6. First step, 2 Lightbringers and put them on hold. Next, bring in the Bounty Hunter, and he can distract while you do get rid of him. Bring in 2 more Lightbringers, and hopefully the lag won't be bad. You're just going to start cleaning out the front as best you can. Biggest thing is get rid of these soldiers because they will do you serious damage. We're just trying to gain a little bit of leeway here. Once you get the leeway, we'll bring some more guys down. All right, here we go, here we go. All right, put them on hold. Bring a couple of these other guys down. Oh, this guy's coming, I can't take him. If that happens, just go. You came too soon. You got to have some of your Romeros here. All right, let's try this again. Doesn't always work perfectly, but it'll get there. Right now, we're just trying to give us a little bit of leeway. Put them there. Bring in the other 2 guys. Oh, no, what are you doing coming so soon? All right. The key is if these guys last. As long as the Romeros are there, we can kill them. Because he's going to go after the Romeros. Okay, that's fine. That's the biggest thing there. It's just a pain in the neck. Okay, now we'll just start cleaning it out. Basically, that's the only real challenge you have in this base. Sometimes it just frustrates you. Sometimes it goes very smoothly. Welcome to Kixeye. So you just slowly work your way around the base. Nothing's very hard. It's just a little tricky getting the combination there so that that guy doesn't kill you. And just kill these spiders. Just a bite at a time. Thankfully with electric, they just freeze and you can kill them easily. So you see, it's not hard, it's just get it done. Kill him first. Get that out of the way. See what's coming. That's all there is to this one. All right, now we're going to put him right there. Deselect him. Now we're going to bring the Bounty Hunter down again. He's going to decoy for us. All right, put him on hold. Got the wrong ones. We don't want him, we want him. Where you going, man? Man, this is just unbelievable. Has a mind of its own. But these guys here are the most important things to kill because they will do you some serious damage. Don't be afraid to run away if you have to. All right. Now, deselect, and we're going to bring the bounty hunter over here. We're almost done. Again, the bounty hunter is just distracting all these things so that you can kill them easily with 2 Lightbringers. That's all you need. There you go. We're almost done. After he fires, we'll kill him. We'll kill him. In fact, we can put these guys on Ruby and see how quickly we clear this. So just got to kill this stuff here. And that's it. So, that's a 6. Go.